Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial I would like to show to you how the way to edit view only or comments only on your files on a Google Sheet by iOS or iPhone. So here I already opened my Google Sheet application, and for the next thing you just need to decide which documents that you want to edit the access. So for example, here I already find my documents that I would like to share into my friends, and after that you can see here there is three small dots. You just need to go click it, and after that you just need to jump into the manage access over here. Just click it and go into the general access, and this general access you just need to go change the restricted into anyone with a link. And after that there will be shown here the option. You just need to go click it. If you want to give an access into other people only for viewing the documents without do any editing, you just need to go click this viewer, and after that go back and go click this part to copy the link and share the link into people or your friends that you want to send to. So the people who receive this link will gonna able to access your documents, but just view only. So they will not gonna have an access to edit the video or the files or documents. And if you want the other people have an access to comment into your documents, you just need to change from viewer into commenter, and those people will be able to comment into the documents that you have without changing any information that you already create on your documents. So you just need to copy the link and send the link into your friends. So that's the way how to edit view only or commenter only on your files in a Google Sheet. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.